Hey guys, it's me William, and today, Merry Christmas. I know why I haven't made a video for a while, like in 1 week or more than 1 week, because I ran out of plans when I make videos. And I decided to try to wait for my Christmas presents, and yeah, it's finally Christmas. So today I'm very excited that I'm going to show you my unboxing and reviewing this Spider-Man PS4 Legend Series action figure. So yeah, so I'm very excited to open this. So yeah, let's just get started. And yeah, so how was your day today, guys? Hope you're doing good, and hope you have a wonderful Christmas. And yeah, let's just I think I know how to open it. So let me just open this, guys. Pretty iconic. So, okay, so here it is, and let me just take it out. So I'm wearing my Spider-Man PS4 beanie, and here's a spider logo right here. And let's just get this thing out. So yeah. So let's just get him out quickly. Oh, this is so cool, guys. So yeah, I've been waiting for this, and I really wanted to get it, but I finally got it for Christmas. And yeah. So here's the minifigure. Actually, no. Here's the action figure. You can see he has a white spider logo, and on the back too. And he has like this red mask with his eyes like closing, but they don't have the eyes in here. And here are the legs, and the shoes are right here. And yeah, I really like this, and I really like how they did the details. I really think they did a good job. So yeah, yeah. And let's just get some of these things out. So yeah, I think I got everything out. So yeah, here are his webs. And yeah, they look pretty cool. And yeah, they look pretty nice. And yeah, and so yeah, so you have another hand on it, and then I like the white tips on it. I think I did a good job on it. So yeah, so if you can just like break it off and then put it back together, but I don't know how to because it's hard. So yeah, And this is the mini figure, and it looks so cool. So yeah, if you have like anything to do with this, you could just probably put this I don't know what to do with this web because it's so hard. You could just like probably put them in his hand, or you could probably make like a city and then I don't know, I'd like do something, but I don't know. So yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.